It begins in the deep red soils of Central and South America, where the sun warms the earth and ancient farmers tend their crops with a wisdom passed down through generations. Among the plants they cared for, one stood out with its vibrant orange flesh and earthy sweetness, the sweet potato, a gift from the land that would nourish humanity for centuries to come. Long before it became a beloved ingredient in kitchens around the world, the sweet potato was a sacred staple, sustaining communities through harsh seasons and times of scarcity. Its resilience was unmatched, thriving in poor soil, enduring drought, and delivering a harvest packed with life-giving nutrients. Each root held the golden glow of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body transforms into vitamin A, vital for vision, immune defense, and skin health. For those who once lived without modern medicine, this was no small blessing. It was a shield against blindness, infection, and malnutrition. But sweet potatoes carry more than just beta-carotene. They are also rich in vitamin C, potassium, and manganese, creating a perfect symphony of minerals and antioxidants that nourish the body at every level. In a single serving, they offer more fiber than many grains, gently supporting digestion and feeding the beneficial bacteria that keep our gut strong and balanced. Modern science now confirms what ancient peoples already sensed. Sweet potatoes help regulate blood sugar thanks to their unique combination of fiber and complex carbohydrates. This means that unlike refined sweets, they release their energy slowly, keeping the body fueled without the crash that follows. Athletes love them for their sustained energy. Doctors praise them for their heart-friendly potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Nutritionists admire them for their anti-inflammatory properties, which soothe the body from the inside out. Even their vibrant colors tell a story. Orange varieties are loaded with beta-carotene, purple varieties brim with anthocyanins, plant compounds that fight oxidative stress and may protect the brain. Every hue, every shade is a sign of the hidden army of nutrients working for your well-being. Yet the magic of sweet potatoes isn't just in their health benefits, it's also in their versatility. Baked until caramelized and tender, mashed into silky comfort, roasted to crispy perfection, or even blended into rich soups, they adapt to every season, every mood, every craving. Ancient explorers carried them across oceans, ensuring their spread from the Americas to Asia, Africa, and beyond. In Japan, roasted sweet potatoes became a cherished winter street food. In Africa, they became a staple crop, feeding millions. In the United States, they found their way into pies, fries, casseroles, and holiday tables. And while they have traveled far and adapted to countless cuisines, their core gift remains the same: to provide sustenance that is both nourishing and deeply satisfying. The leaves, often overlooked in the West, are a delicacy in many cultures, rich in antioxidants and perfect for stir-fries and soups. The skin, too, holds valuable nutrients, reminding us that nature rarely gives us waste. Sweet potatoes are more than food. They are a reminder of the harmony between human survival and the gifts of the earth. They ask for little, but give generously. They stand as proof that sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful for our health. From ancient farmlands to modern kitchens, from survival crop to gourmet ingredient, sweet potatoes have earned their place among the world's greatest superfoods. Their journey is one of resilience, nourishment, and enduring beauty. So the next time you hold one in your hand, remember, you're holding a piece of history, a fragment of the earth's generosity, and a living symbol of nourishment that has stood the test of time. And when its sweet, earthy aroma fills your kitchen, know that you are part of a story thousands of years in the making, one bite at a time. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with more fascinating journeys of the world's most powerful superfoods.